Hello everyone. So I am a developer in the model real-time team. My name is Ishita Agarwal. First demo would be a new command for creating a capsule destructor. So we always had support for a destructor for a capsule in the model compiler, but we had no option in the UI to do the same as we see here. So I have a hello world model and I go to hello world capsule. I go to add UML and special operation. We see there is no option to create a destructor. But now this has been fixed. So if I go here, I have a same hello world model and a hello world capsule. And when I right click and I go to special operation, we have an option to create a destructor. Yeah. Any questions or comments from anyone here? Okay, if not, I'll move to the next demo. So the next demo is improved workflow for removing operation body when making it pure virtual. So now we have added a new preference in under preferences, real-time development and properties view called remove body when making an operation pure virtual. This preference can be used to control what the user does, what happens to the body of an operation when it is turned to pure virtual. So by default, the value is set to prompt, which means the user is always prompted about what to do with the body. Otherwise, we can set it to always if the user always wants to remove it and never to never remove it. So here I have a class with two operations, operation 1 and operation 2. Both have a body. Now, if I turn this operation into a pure virtual operation, I'm prompted with this dialog box called remove body or operation body. And if I select yes, the operation body will be removed. If I select no, then it won't. It also has a remember my decision checkbox, which can be used to change the value of the preference. So if I select yes, my body is removed and the operation is turned to pure virtual operation. So if I see, the body is deleted. It is also supported for multiple operations. For both operations, we can do it simultaneously. So yeah. Any questions or comments here? Okay. Then let's move to the third demo. So it's easier way to remove a return type of an operation. So we see earlier behavior. We see that I have an operation for a capsule with a return parameter set to int. If I just remove this return type now, we would see that we would still have this return parameter set with just empty value. And when we would compile this model, we get a warning saying the return parameter with unspecified type not generated. This has been fixed now. If I go build here, I have an operation here. I'll set the return type to, let's say, int again. And I see that it's there. But now when I remove the parameter, the entire return parameter also goes away. And just if I compile it, we should not see any warnings now. Okay, it's because I had this is pure virtual operation error, but you see, we do not have any warning saying that no return type for the parameter. Yeah, that's all for me.